Hey guys, we've been talking about Apple in Discord the past couple of days and how strong the stock is. And I just wanted to show you how you can enter, especially for scalps, but even for a little longer term hold, a stock that is trending higher. Because I know what a lot of people do is wait to enter a stock that's moving up, get frustrated, buy what turns out to be a short term top, and get shaken out. And they get totally frustrated by the trade because you bought something that's moving up and you end up losing money. So here's what it looks like to do red takes green on a 2 minute. And this is a chart of Apple. This is the 2 minute chart. I said yesterday I talked about Apple a decent amount because it was so strong. So today it opened above the 20. This red line's the 20 moving average on the 2 minute chart. It opened above, pulled back. Your first entry, if you were looking to get long above the 20, would have been here with a stop here. Your next entry, again, if you're doing green takes red, would have been here with a stop here. And you're basically just using the red as your stop. So you're going to have a really close stop if you've got a small red bar. This next entry, it's a little bit bigger, right? You would have entered here on this green bar, and your stop would have been here. So that one you got a little bit bigger. You can reduce size to manage that. Enter here as it takes out this red bar. Your stop's there. Enter here. Your stop's there. And you're just following it up. Now you could still be holding from this, initial trade. You're generally going to be moving your stop up. This is more, I want to talk about entry and how to get in and how to have a really close stop. And then there are obviously other kind of rules to follow as far as taking profit and how you want to take profit and whether you want to scale. Obviously, with each of these, you should be moving your stop, up as this goes up. And maybe you end up getting stopped out here if you're using the 2 minute. I also drop down to the 1 minute sometimes to manage stops. But anyhow, this is more around entry. While I was trying to make this video, Micah called out in the Discord AMC. So I wanted to show you a chart of that real quick and how this exact same strategy would have worked this morning extremely well with that. So let's pull up that chart. So here's AMC. So I think we started looking at it somewhere around here. I was close to 11. When it popped up in the Discord. But as you can see, you have the 20 moving up steadily. You're close to the 20, and you want to be close to the 20. I should have mentioned that in the going through the Apple. The closer you are to the 20, the more chances of success with this. But say we started here, you would have entered here with a stop there, just below. Entered here, would have stopped there, entered here, would have stopped there, entered here, would have stopped there. You can see, obviously it's in an uptrend, and that's the whole point of this green takes red strategy on the 2 minute. If you're late, say like we were this morning, seeing this chart, kind of where do you want to buy? You don't want to buy the new high here and immediately get a pullback. So this strategy, what you're doing is you're buying after the pullback, and then the stock starts moving back up. Again, here, stop, here, stop, here, let's stop here, and on, up until it topped out around 1360. But using the 2 minute, you can scalp in and out if you're going for small trades, or you can just keep moving the stop up once you're long and it's working, and you will get stopped out on this. It doesn't work every time, obviously. This was an example back here. If you had entered here, you would have gotten stopped out here on this trade, but you could have re-entered just a few minutes later. And basically, 90% of these trades, starting from here with your stop here, these just kept working on AMC It's with any stock, it doesn't matter, in an uptrend. So if you clearly got an uptrend going on, which again we did with the 20, then this is a great way to enter those stocks that are moving higher without buying the top and having it pull back on you. You want to enter in the pullback, which is what buying over red. So when green takes red, that's what you're basically doing, is buying the small pullbacks as opposed to buying a top and then having it pull back on you immediately. This works exactly the same way in downtrends. You're just shorting red takes green to the downside. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to go over that really quickly because it was something that was playing out this morning in these two stocks. And it's a really good strategy to have in your pocket, especially for scalping. But as you can see, if you hadn't scalped out of either Apple or AMC, you could have gotten some really good moves in both of those stocks this morning. That's it. Thanks.